Hi everybody, it's Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today we're going to do my soap haul for 2017. I had such a wonderful group of friends and found some amazing soap makers out there this year that I just wanted to show off their products and promote them a little bit. And I first up although I want to introduce you to Olaf. This was my birthday Christmas present and he loves me. He's so sweet. He's already house trained. He's amazing. Aren't you, Oliver? Aren't you, Oliver? Olaf. I lost Oliver. I miss my Oliver. Anyway, so Olaf is going to hop around, probably. And you might see Lucy. Lucy's in a diaper. She's a black and white lion head. So just hang with some of my furry friends while we get into the soap boxes. So first I'm going to talk about, we're going to go from the well-knowns to the less known or brand new soap makers that I'm really impressed with. And so yeah, here we go. So the first one is Karen from Eden Secret, and this is what I purchased from her in the summertime. I just took my Lush fund, and instead of going into Lush, I went into her UK shop and I bought this amazing collection of her goodies. And there's some wonderful soap, lots of little cupcake soaps, so cute, so beautiful. My favorite one, and I'm still using it, it lasts forever. It smells amazing. I love her fragrances. Oh, I wish I was in the UK so I could get some of these fragrances. I just love the smell of her soap, and even as it ages and they become kind of all the same smell, I love her oil combination. It's awesome. So if you have a Lush fund, I would suggest, especially when she does her specials on shipping, that you get in on it and try one of her gift boxes, because I mean half of the wow is this amazing box, and I've watched her make them. Like, she hand makes these. She's absolutely incredible. So that's edensecret.co.uk. So she's got some great videos here on YouTube. That's how I first started thinking about coming back to soap making. Next inspiration and next great thing that I got after Karen's, I was watching Katie from Royalty Soaps, and she had a piping set. I'd never seen soap being piped before, and I'm a cake decorator, and I love decorating cakes and cupcakes and things, and it got me thinking, you know, I could really upgrade my soaping skills and have some fun. And this year's been really hard for me. It's we've lost some really important people in our lives, and it was nice to find something to find some more of that joy. When my dad passed away, I started raising rabbits for show, and they've been the most wonderful little companions. They're so cute. I joined a rabbit club, and we're doing lots of fun things with rabbits. And in my videos, I'll talk about my rabbit club because it's celebrating its 100th anniversary. But when my mom passed away in February, I was really lost, and my skills are in soap making, and these ladies just gave me something to try, something new, something fun, and something inspirational. Now the next lady I found was just recently, and I've been playing with her methods, and I just got these. This is one of my early Christmas presents to myself. I managed to get a mistletoe bunny from B at Sorcery Soaps. Her stuff smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is almost like baby powder, but the Harry Potter theme on this is so original. It's so cute and so sweet, and I don't know how she did it, but that book is all the way through the soap. It's really, this woman has skills. And so I've been playing with her methods, and I purchased her book, and I've been having a ton of fun. Ton of fun with her stuff. And so that's one of the things that I got in my haul from her. And then, of course, I'm trying to find a bunny mold because I want to make a bunny soap for fundraising for Verba, because they're celebrating 100 years. If anybody out there knows of a rabbit club that's older than mine, let me know. Just put it in the description box. But this mistletoe bunny, I'm gonna hold it up nice and close so you can see. It's so, so cute. Oh my gosh. I haven't opened it yet, but it's got that same wonderful powdery, luscious kind of soapy smell. And there's little candy canes and little fun stuff in there. And I also bought her sleigh ride. So this is sleigh ride. So she's got a little present, and I think that's a horse. And it's just super, super cute. Check it out. And I love, this one smells different. I can't really smell through but I want to wait until I'm ready to use it. I've already opened one, so I'm going to stretch it out like I did with my Eden Secret stuff. And, sweet lady, she sent me some really, really cute stuff. It gave me all sorts of wonderful ideas. She's making soap cookies now with her soap dough, and here's one that she sent me for free. So cute. Smells so good. And this one's stamped. I immediately went out and tried to find a stamping store, and the one stamp store that we used to have is gone, so I'm going to have to dig out all my old stamping supplies and see if I can do that too. Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable? That would make the best little business card, or just, she's just so brilliant. And here's one of her seals. I'm going to pull this one out because I know I can put it back in easy enough. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, her stuff has a very perfumey, kind of powdery smell. It's wonderful, wonderful. When I want like designer fragrance, that's kind of what it reminds me of, like designer fragrances. Super, super cute. Super, super cute. Now, I belong to a soap family on Facebook called Star Soaps Family. And Crystal Star, Star Soaps, is the moderator and creator of the group. And I have met some amazing ladies. And this year I invited a few of them to join me in a card swap. And we did a soap card swap. And so I sent them some of my soap. Just take a thin slice and shrink wrap it, and it'll go through the mail. If anybody's interested in getting these every month, I've got a new subscription service. So when I'm making my soap on the YouTube channel, you'll be the first ones to get the thin slices in a card, all shrink wrapped and ready to go. Just a little slice, just a thin slice. But so that was what I invited them to do. Take an end piece and send me some of your soap, and I'll send you some of mine, because it's always nice to try somebody else's cooking. And soap is no different. Bath products are no different. I just absolutely adore. Oh, I love you so much. Sorry, sweetie. He's gonna hop away. Trying other people's stuff, and some of these ladies are brand new, but they've got so much skill and potential, and I'm really, really excited. The first one I got was from Scents for All in Seymour, Connecticut. Adrienne, I believe it is. If I got your name wrong, I will put. But she sent me this one. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Ah, what does it smell like? Kind of nutty, very soapy, very sweet, very vanilla, and just a slice of soap. And it's totally made it all the way from Connecticut to Canada. And then the other one she sent me was this one, Babasu oil, which I've never tried before. And she also sent me a card, but I got so excited when I saw the soap, I lost the card. I'm so sorry, sweetie, but I totally loved it, and it was totally sweet. And I remembered your original ingredients. She's got some really, I think she uses Tessa Silk and some other really, this one was called Dragon or something. But it's absolutely, absolutely fabulous. So check her out. Scents for All, she's on Facebook, and she has an Etsy shop. go find her and have a look at her stuff and support her. All right, so the next one is a local lady, and we didn't do a soap swap per se, but I got a sample of hers somehow, and I just want to promote her because she's one of my cohorts, and I'm really excited. It's Eagle Creek Natural Soap, and this is Under the Sea, and eaglecreeknaturalsoaps.ca, and it's absolutely marvelous. She's got, what she put in? She put coconut oil, palm oil. Don't eat the packaging. Olive. Shea butter, lemongrass. It's just wonderful. It's all essential oils and all natural, and it looks like she used green oxide and ultramarine. So she used very natural ingredients. It's an absolutely beautiful bar of soap. I might have gotten it at Whole Foods. She might even be at Whole Foods if you want to find her there. Absolutely fabulous. And the very last one is my friend Deborah, and she just sent me from Body Garbage. This was so awesome. Look, it's in an envelope, and I'm excited about it. It's just an envelope, and you could, I'm hoping that some other soapers do this kind of concept with the handmade lip gloss card like she made for me, or a handmade soap card. You can ship all over, and it's awesome. It's all disclosed, so it's no problems with customs, which is really great. So she sent me a card, a Christmas card with this sweet little note, and made me cry. But you've got to check out her videos. She made a key lime hot process soap. She's probably one of the most talented hot process soap makers I've ever seen. This is to die for. It is so good. It smells. I'm gonna have to buy a bar. It is so good. So she's Body Garbage, and that's Deborah. And she's in, where are you from? She's in New Jersey. So yeah, so she sent me a soap attached to the card. So she created a sample, and then she also sent me this. And I have been using this since I got it. I wanted a color, but I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning there, so I can really color and goes, wee! This is so awesome, thank you. But she made a vanilla mint lip gloss. So to put a thin layer on your bottom lip and then smooth it together. So it's kind of, it's so cute. Check this out. It is just so precious. I had to get online and look for containers because, oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. And she made the most amazing lip gloss. So let me just show you how awesome it is. Awesome sauce, lady. This is absolutely fabulous. So she's selling this. It's her vanilla mint gloss. Get in on her shop and buy some because it's awesome. It is absolutely awesome. So go check out Body Garbage and Fur for All, Eagle Creek Natural Soaps, Sorcery Soaps. Be it Sorcery Soaps. She's the nicest lady ever. And Karen is amazing. She's got so many wonderful videos. I just like listening to her voice. Her accent is just awesome. It's calming, and she has so much knowledge to share. It's just fantastic. So that's how I spent my Lush fund and all the wonderful new friends I've made of this new journey coming back to making soap. I am just so happy and having so much fun, and I hope that you're enjoying my videos and you're learning something that you can use to make your business better, and also just enjoy seeing how things are made. If you're not a soap maker, that's okay. Come and watch us make soap. It's awesome. Making handmade soap is seeing the love that goes into it, and the thought and the story behind the product makes it ever so much more wonderful. And I want to thank all my supporters out there and all of my subscribers who've made me feel so good. Thank you, and let's make a wonderful 2018. We've got a lot of fun things on the agenda for my channel and a lot of new ideas. I hope I'm not just recreating the wheel, but you know, I'm still having fun. So I hope you have fun with me. And so we'll see you next time.